Nasa linya ng ating telepono si Dr. Nora Legaspi, ang director ng VMMC. Dr. Legaspi, magandang hapon po sa inyo. Si Ivan Mirina Trias Santos po ito.
Magandang hapon.
Alright, Doc Legaspi, kamusta po ang kalagayan ni dating Pangulong Arroyo?
She's okay. She's fine.
Alright, kanina ho kasi narinig po namin mula sa spiritual advisor na medyo bumagsak ho ang katawan niya pero very positive naman daw po ang disposisyon ng dating Pangulo.
Yes, totoo yun.
Kasama niyo ho ba ang dating Pangulong Arroyo? Nandun ho kayo sa kanyang silid?
We went there to give a discharge order. Yun, the may go home order.
Natanggap niyo na po ba as we speak, Doctor?
Yeah, natanggap na namin this morning yung grant na bail.
So, can you tell us what's going to happen, Dr. Legaspi, ma'am?
You know, I can only say regarding the medical aspect. Because as far as she's concerned, she can really go home. Her treatment can be on an outpatient basis. Well, apparently, during the time before the bail was granted, she was staying here because she was a detainee. But now she can go home. So we have already issued the may go home order.
Alright. Doc Legaspi, clarification lang ho, so natanggap na ho itong dala-dala ng sheriff na release order. Kasi kakadating lang
namin.
Alright, anong oras ho mismo natanggap? Eksakto?
Something like 9:30. 9:30 in the morning.
So as early as this morning na sa inyo na po ang kopya. So what is taking so long? What is taking the release so long? Ano po?
Them, yan hindi ko alam. I don't know. Because hindi ko alam mo, she's also under DILG, the PNP. That's not really my knowledge anymore. I wouldn't know on the part of the security.
All right.
As far as we're concerned, medically speaking, we already gave her the may go home discharge order.
Doc Legaspi, kasi po ang dating ng balita ho sa amin ay nandyan, kadadating lang po ng sheriff, hawak-hawak po yung release order na kailangan...
No, the sheriff came to my office 9:30.
9:30 pa ho.
Okay.
So, anytime ho, talagang pwede nang lumabas ang dating Pangulo?
Yeah, I think so.
Dr. Legaspi, may information po kayo kung sino-sino po ang kasama ng dating Pangulo sa mga sandaling ito?
When I went to the presidential suite, marami pero hindi ko kilala eh. Walang familiar.
Members of the family, political allies?
I don't know. They were taking lunch pero hindi ko talagang hindi familiar. And if I do not know the name, honestly. We just talked to CGMA. We told her that we're giving her a discharge may go home order.
Alright, Doc Legaspi, another clarification lang ho, yung 9:30 ho na sinasabi nyo, hindi ho ba bail order po yun?
Ulit?
Hindi ho ba bail order ho yung natanggap nyo mula sa sheriff? Kasi
bail granted.
Okay, bail,
okay.
Yes. Alright. So yung release order ho, nadala-dala ho ng sheriff ngayong hapon, na ipresenta na ho ba sa inyo?
The sheriff, bakit? Babalik pa ba yung sheriff?
Yes, actually ho, naka-monitor ho kami, naka-convoy po ang aming news team.
Wala pa. Just the bail granted.
Okay. So you're probably referring to the court order, Doctor. Tapos separate pa po yung release order. Okay, that's clear.
That was given by the sheriff himself.
Yes, and kanina nga rin nakapag-bail na rin ng 1 milyong piso itong kampo ni dating Pangulong Arroyo. At ngayon ho, sa mga oras na ito, base po sa balita ho namin na nakakalap, nandyan na ho mismo sa VMMC ito hong sheriff para naman ipresenta itong release order para tuluyan na pong makalabas. So wala pa ho kayo nakakausap na gano'n, Doc?
Wala pa. I'm in my office kasi
Sa pagkakaalam niyo po, Doctor, how long will the process take? I understand meron pa pong ilang documentary evidence paperwork na kailangan, documentary requirements at paperwork na kailangan i-accomplish.
If it's documentary report with regards to the medical, wala na. Because it's just the doctors who are releasing and giving the advice, the discharge summary, blah, 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 medications, take home med. That's all. We have already accomplished that.
Okay.
And then from hence, Hereafter, I think it's the security already. The
so-
responsibility of the security.
Doctor, from your statements, I get the impression na the former president is in perfect shape. Wala na ho siyang iniinda.
Yes, all along she could have been treated on an outpatient basis.
Okay,
That
so
was our contention, even before, that she could be treated on an outpatient basis. But then, she is under the custody of the court. She was under the custody during that time, so she was there to stay.
Alright,
It is the
Doc,
same.
yung naka-neck brace pa ho ba ang dating Pangulo o parang halos wala na rin ho?
No, she has to be on a neck brace when she goes out. She has to prevent any fall. When she
Yung-
goes out, she has to be on a neck brace. That's the advice of the doctor.
Aha.
But within the presidential suite, or even within the room, the confines of her room in the house, she can remove it.
paano po
But
yung
if she
mga...
goes out,
May mga medications po ba siyang tinitake, Doctor?
maintenance meds, you know, ganun, the usual. I'm not really privy so much to it, no. But I know that when she came over, she had medicine that she was taking, pinapa-continue, and then added also for some anti-pain medicine.
Ano po yung dahilan na sinasabing pagbagsak daw po ng katawan niya at malaking ipinayat niya?
Well, siguro she was having difficulty also in some, maybe the swallowing or gano'n, because of her operation, like that, which is addressed, it can be addressed, which we address.
Yes. Sa ilang buwan niya pong inilagi dyan sa VMMC, kamusta naman po ang dating Pangulo?
She's okay. Assessment, she's okay.
Doctor, ngayong araw po na ito, ina-expect natin marerelease siya. Ano? Advised ba na bumalik-balik siya sa ospital for periodic checkups?
Well, that is her own lookout already, no? Nasa kanya na yan. Whether she wants to come to us to continue with the physical therapy, then we will gladly oblige. But if she has her own, then it's okay. It's important that she just follows our advice regarding the therapy and then the additional exercises that is needed.
Aha. So Doc, hindi na naman kailangan yung guarded siya ng ospital parang 24/7, no? Kasi sinasabi niyo pwedeng sa bahay na lang ho siya talaga.
Yes. Her treatment, even before. Even before. We always contended that she did not need confinement. But since she was a detainee of the court,
Yes.
we were ordered by the court to accommodate her.
Aha.
So that's why she was here.
Doctor, with your indulgence, paki-refresh nga po ang memory namin. Ano nga po ang kondisyon, na ang sakit ng dating Pangulo? Ano ho yung iniinda niya?
Yung neck tonsillitis, which she underwent operation. But when she's undergoing therapy, she's responding very well. She's doing fine.
Yes.
She's doing fine.
Doc, would you know, ilang pounds ho ang ibinawas ng dating Pangulo?
Hindi ko masyadong, I do not know the exact.
Aha. Aha. Pero
But of
yung...
course, you have to consider also the condition that you're in, no? Maybe the mental agony is also part of it.
Aha, aha. Pero kamusta ho ang dating Pangulo bilang detainee dyan sa VMMC? I'm sure for several months, marami na rin ho siyang nakilala, naging kaibigan dyan. Kamusta ho siya bilang detainee ho sa VMMC?
She's a perfect detainee. No, she obeys. She obeys rules. Yeah. She obeys whatever the security tells, whatever we tell her.
Yes.
Medically speaking, she was very obedient.
Alright, Dr. Legaspi, maraming salamat
Okay.
po sa inyo.
Okay,
Good
you're
afternoon,
welcome.
Doctor. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Si Dr. Nona Legaspi, Director ng Veterans Memorial Medical Center.